So the question of the day is, what can I drink while I'm fasting? Or a similar question with the same solution is, how do I avoid the keto flu? Well, there is a solution, and it's a drink referred to as Ketorade. And it will help you avoid three things. It will help you avoid fasting fatigue, it will help you avoid the keto flu, and it will help you avoid nasty hangovers. So, I'm Dorothy, and I'm going to show you how to make this drink. And then at the end, I will come back and we will talk about 6 benefits that this Ketorade can help you, especially if you're on a low carb or a ketogenic diet. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, let's make this Ketorade. This is a blender bottle. I used it a lot when I first started low carb with protein powder and water. It's got a little shaker in the bottom. You just shake it up. But it's useful for powders that you put in. So we are going to do apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. We are going to do some lime juice. This is fresh limes that I already squeezed, and that's 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to put in a pinch of salt. Himalayan pink sea salt is good. I'm putting in some stevia. Usually I use liquid stevia, but I didn't have any. And then I'm going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of, this is called Calm. It's magnesium. It's high in magnesium. It's not as good for potassium. I will put a note in the description below for some powdered magnesium and potassium supplements. Okay, that's it. And then, of course, water. And I'm going to just pour this whole thing of sparkling water in. Put the lid on, shake it up, and drink it. So all the ingredients are here. The recipe is in the description below, and let's go to the benefits now. So there you have it, Ketorade. If you have a recipe of your own for this kind of electrolyte drink, or if you have tried it before and had bad experiences or good experiences with it, leave a comment below. I would be really interested, and I'm sure other commenters would be also. Okay? So now on to the benefits. Number 1, a common complaint on a low carb or a ketogenic diet is the side effects, and they include dizziness, leg cramps, and fatigue. Those are the big ones. They are usually caused by some imbalance of electrolytes, and the 4 big ones are magnesium, potassium, salt or sodium, and water. So this drink replenishes all of those. Number 2, fasting. Fasting is very popular right now, either intermittent fasting or extended fasting, and this drink will replenish the electrolytes that will help you curb both hunger and fatigue. Number 3, energy. We all want energy. The bodybuilding community and a lot of the keto community right now advocates a morning elixir or a morning drink of water, lime juice, and salt. And the reason is for energy. That's basically what this drink is. Number 4, this is anecdotal, but a lot of women maintain that this drink is the only thing that has helped them lose belly fat. Number 5, alcohol hits you faster on a ketogenic diet, and it gives you a horrible hangover. So drink this if you've had a night out. Drink this before you go to bed, and your hangover will be at least muted a little bit. And number 6, even if you're not on a ketogenic diet or a low carb diet, you may be addicted to soda, as many are. This will help you kick the habit. It doesn't have caffeine and it doesn't have sugar, and it still tastes reasonably good. It's not exactly a Coke, but it's good. And so now, as always, I will leave you with a toast. This isn't the fanciest glass in the world for toasting, but it'll do. This is a toast to apple cider vinegar. Well, it's not a mojito, but it's good.